श्रीमान वेंकटनाथार्य कृतार्के केसरी वेदांताचार्य विद्यामे सन्निधत्तां सुधाहृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे. So, welcome to the last day of this camp. I hope all of you have done your homework. So, we shall revise. Right. Revision. So, type the answers immediately as and when you know the answer. Question number 1. One can tell a lie in emergency. True or false? Yes. Correct. Okay. In emergency, one can tell a lie. आपातकाल में झूठ बोल सकते हैं. சில பேர் இந்திக்கார கூட ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டாங்க, அதனால இங்கிலீஷ் பண்ணது முதல்ல. ஆபத்து காலத்துல, டேஞ்சர்ல, உயிருக்கு ஆபத்து காலத்துல போய் சொல்லலாம். ஓகே. Otherwise, a Vaishnava will never tell a lie. Right? A Vaishnava never tells a lie. Next. I told you about a cow story. A butcher, a person who wants to kill a cow, is chasing a cow. The cow enters into the ashram. Maharshi could have told a blank to the butcher. He could have told a blank to the butcher. Fill up the blank. Right. Could have told a lie. Very good. Fine. Koi சொல்லிருக்கலாம். தகலாத வருங்க. Fine. When we do a lot of sins, ரொம்ப பாவம் பண்றோம். Perumal says blank in ICU. Perumal says what is I will see you, right Achyutan? I will see you in ICU. Intensive care unit. ரொம்ப பாவம் பண்ணா நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்றான் பெருமாள் இல்லையா? Fine. Who is called Lavana Varjita Perumal? Who is called Lavana Varjita Perumal? Uppiliappan, correct. Uppu. So, Lavana Varjit, without Lavan. One who eats without salt. Uppiliappa Perumal. Very nice. Good. A Vaishnava mixes easily in the society like blank. How does he mix in the society? He mixes easily in the society like salt. Very nice. Senika, Sabian, etc. Okay, fine. Salt. Uppu madri kalandru. He mixes very easily in the society because he helps the society. Right? So, that is the advantage of just like salt in the water. He mixes very easily in the society. Fine. Excellent. Escape from birth, death, old age, disease is called, what is it called? Escape from, yes, Achyutan said that moksham adrithatniya, right? Fine. Moksham or liberation. One has to get out of this birth, death, old age, disease. Whenever there is birth, it means there is also death. So we have to escape from punarapi maranam, punarapi jananam, punarapi janani jatare sayanam iha samsare bahu dustare kripaya apalaya pahi murare. Who said this? Do you know this sloka? Can you guess who said this? Aditya Soundarajan. Fine. Shankaracharya. In Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam. Govindam Bhajamudamate. Right? Fine. Perumal will give minor or small blank. God will give small blank and guide your Vaishnava into right path. Small what? Test or punishment. Achyutan, right? Advika is also correct. Punishment or test. Okay, right? The place where a devotee with conch disc identity lives is like a blank. 2 words. Is like a 2 words. What? Is like a Dwaraka. No. The place where a devotee with conch Chankachakra identity lives is called a, is almost equal to a, it is like a what? Now the place, you didn't hear. The place, எந்த இடத்துல சங்கு சக்கரம் உள்ள வைஷ்ணவம் இருக்கானோ அந்த இடத்துக்கு it is like what? It is like Divya Desam, Vishnuvardhan, right? Correct. It is like Divya Desam. It's called almost, it's not Divya Desam, it is like equal to Divya Desam. Yeah, Keshav also is correct, fine. Blank says our relationships is permanent. Who says it? You cannot stop it, I cannot stop it, I cannot break it. Who says this? Andal, very right, Achyutan, Vishnuvardhan, etc. Fine. Undannod reveal, namakkingu orikka oriyadu. Which Pasuram? In which Pasuram Goda Devi says this? Which number? Undannod reveal, namakkingu orikka oriyadu. Ariyada pillegalo, andinal undanna, chirive raittanam, siriyarulade. It's not 14. Iraivan itarai parai. It's not 14. 28 actually, right. Then Chittanjirigari, Karavegali, 28 Pasuram. Correct. Samashrayanam is also known as blank. Is also known as blank. Pancha Samskaram Achyutan, right? Prakradodhan also correct. Okay, fine. Again, another set of questions to you today. Always sleeping, lazy. It is which guna? Which character? Tamo, right? Shashank said that. Deshikan gives blank rank to Bharata in Padaka Sahasranam. Which rank? First rank, you're right. Prakradodhan, Aditya, Srinivas, everybody. Yeah, fine. Paradaya Param Namostu Tasmai in Padaka Sahasranam. Right. Haigriva sits on the tip of the, yes, Danya tongue. Correct, you're right. Tip of the tongue. Jikvagra Simhasanam Abhyupeya. Okay. Perumal lifts us like a mother only when we blank for him. Cry. Yeah, Vidya is correct. Cry. You have to cry for Perumal only, then you will come and lift us. Otherwise, you will give house, whatever, jo bhi chahiye wo de denge. You will give whatever you need, you will give, and then you will escape. So, we have to be very sincere to ask for the love of Perumal. Right? Otherwise, you can't get the love of the Lord. That's it. So, if you want Perumal to take care, Vishnu to take care of you, you have to cry. Only then he will come and lift us, right? Fine. Okay. Indweller, the indweller is also known as, what is he also known as? Indweller. One who resides in our Antaryami, correct? This one, KP. Unit of, the unit, horsepower. Horsepower is a unit of, horsepower is a unit of what? Motor. So not motor. The unit of power, correct, Keshav said that. Unit of power. 1 horsepower is 746 watts, right? 1 watt is 1 joule per second, you said. physics. I told you the other day. Okay. Horsepower remains as of which Perumal? Yeah, Avanija has already told. I agree. Fine. Antaryami is like water in a. Who said the Vivasvat? Well, correct. Water in a well. Kanathil ulla Deivam. Kanathil ulla jaram pola Perumal. Okay. Ramanuja gave pure water to which Perumal? Right, Aditya, Varada, Avanija, etc. Fine, Varada. Okay. Now I gave you another example. Your father, your grandfather sends $1,000 to you from US. The postman comes and gives you the money. Let us assume like that. Okay. Whom you will worship? Tata or postman? Tata, correct. Everyone upload that. Grandfather. Similarly, all other devatas give it, which was given by Perumal. Perumal only gives everything through all the devatas. So we should go directly receive from Perumal. Okay. Shiva does tapasya in AC weather at blank. Kailash, Vivasvat, correct, yeah. Himalayas, Kailash, fine. Fill up the blank. Generator, operator, and blank. Generator, operator, Achyutan, right? Destroyer, GOD. Generator, operator, destroyer. Okay. How to get the Lord in your hand? Answer is always be connected to blank. Connected to, Aditya said that, satsang, very nice. Always be connected to satsang, fine. Early to bed, early to blank. Early to bed, early to, rice, who said Aditya, rice, R-I-S-E, correct? Early bird catches the blank. Worm or prey, correct, you are right. Then, yeah. Deity of walking. நடப்பதற்கு எந்த பெருமாள்? நடக்கிற பெருமாள் சேவி. எந்த பெருமாள்? Which பெருமாள்? Trivikrama, right? You are right. Which பெருமாள்? Fine. How many pasurams are there for Trivikrama in Tirupavai? I told that. What is that? 3 pasurams, right? Ongi, Ambaram, Udaru Tongi Vadanga, Andri Vadanga Malandai, right? Fine. Because Trivikrama wanted 3 feet, Goda Devi gave 3 pasurams. Right? Fine. After waking up, we should chant Hari, very nice. Fine. We should wake up blank. How? How we should wake up? Slowly, correct, right. Slowly. Mella idundu Hari endra per. Wake up slowly and shout loudly Hari. Okay. Which stotram, when you plan to chant, even if you plan to chant, gives you name, fame, and a good name and knowledge, Dashavatara, right? Vidya, Dashavatara. Dishaja Dasasha Kyati Shubha Jimdati. Okay. Blank is very precious to get up. Blank Muhurtam is very precious. Which Muhurtam? Brahma, right? Vidya, right? Adhika, fine. According to Srimad Ramayanam, blank during sunrise and sunset is a sin. What? Yes, correct. Sleeping. Sleeping during sunrise and sunset is a sin. Okay. Punctuality is the reflection of blank. Sincerity, very nice. Beautiful. Fantastic. So, we are almost revising. And now we will go to important point. That is, we are going to talk about surrender. Surrendering to the Lord. Surrendering to Perumal. Right? What is the name? What do you mean by surrender? What is surrender? Yeah. Surrender also is known as, what is the Sanskrit word for surrender? Total surrender. Sanskrit name for total surrender. Yes? Correct. Sharanagati. Right? It's called Sharanagati. What is this Sharanagati? Sharanagati is surrendering completely to Perumal. Right? Sharanagati means what? Sharanam means mode or means the method. And Gati means to join. How to join? What is the method to join with Perumal? That is Sharanagati. Because Perumal is the root, Perumal is the result. There are other words for Sharanagati. Prapatti, Nyasam, Sanyasam, Bharanyasam, Nikshepam, Tyagam. These are the different words for Sharanagati. Sharanagati, Prapatti, Nyasam, Sanyasam, Bharanyasam, Nikshepam, Tyagam. All refer to the same thing. எல்லாவற்றிற்கும் ஒன்றுதான். Then what is Sharanagati? That you surrender everything to Perumal. Right. According to Shastras, meditating on Perumal, first you should do Karma Yoga. According to Bhagavad Gita, first you should do Karma. What is Karma Yoga? Whatever you do, you offer to Perumal. That is also very difficult. That thought has to come. No? Whatever you do, you give to Perumal. Very difficult. For example, you are brushing your teeth. How you will offer to Perumal? You should think of Perumal brushing. I am doing this for the God, to please the God. Can you say that? How can you do that? How can you brush your teeth thinking of Perumal? Right? It's so difficult. Yeah? But when I brush my teeth, I should think I am brushing my teeth so that germs will not accumulate in my teeth, my mouth will be fresh, and I won't get any disease of the teeth, so that I can chant well shlokas, mantras, I can do japam, I can do upanyasam, I can preach about Perumal. And when I go to Perumal, Thiruvaradhanam, or going to temple, when I open my mouth, Krishna, then Perumal should not run away, closing your nose. Perumal should not wear mask, hearing your mouth. Ayo natham pudicha payan, enna slogam solreen, odipo. Perumal will not say, because we are his children. ஒரு தாய் குழந்தைய கட்டிப்பா, மூஞ்சி நாத்தா வந்தாலும். ஏன் உங்க அம்மா உன்னை கட்டிப்பாளா இல்லையா? கத்தால எந்த உடனே கட்டிப்பாளா, கண்ணத்தை அடிப்பாளா? எருமை மாடு நாத்தா நாருது அடிப்பாளா? Will she beat you, your mother? Even if you don't take bath, even if you don't wash your mouth, your mother will embrace you. இல்லையா? செல்லக்குட்டி, நாத்தம் பிடிச்ச கோட்டி, என் நாத்தக்குட்டி அப்படின்னு கொஞ்சம் வாங்க. நாத்தம் பிடிச்ச குழந்தை அப்படின்னு. சில பேர் என்ன சொல்லுவான், என் நாய்க்குட்டி, என் புண்ணக்குட்டி அப்படின்லாம் சொல்லுவா இல்லையா? சம் பீப்புள் சே மை பெட் டாக், மை பெட் கிட்டன் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? குட்டி பிசாசு, அழகான ராட்சசி அப்படின்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல குழந்தை. பிகாஸ் மதர் லவ்ஸ் த சைல்ட். Similarly, Perumal loves us, but that does not mean you should go with a dirty teeth, dirty body. இல்லையா? குளிக்கணும், நல்லா குளிச்சு, நல்லா சென்ட் போட்டு. பன்னிக்குட்டி, பன்னிக்குட்டி வெரி நைஸ், பெகுலேட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவா. Once Yashoda called Perumal, Krishna, as Pannikuti. You know why? At a Pannikuti. Why? Because he's a piglet. Because he was rolling in the mud like a pig. Panni maadhi poraduvan. Manda, Perumal. Vrindavanathila Perumal porandu adanaல தான் இன்னைக்கு அந்த மண்ணு. Even now you will find the dust of the lotus feet of Krishna in Vrindavan. That is the way you go to Vrindavan. Your bhakti will be amplified like a fountain. Bhakti அப்படியே fountain மாதிரி பீச்சு அடிக்கும் Vrindavan. ஏன்னா பெருமாள் நடந்த மண் இன்னைக்கு. பெருமாள் விளையாடின யமுனை இன்னைக்கு. Right? So Yashoda used to call him, you piglet, you pig. You are rolling in the mud and coming here like this. ஆழ்வாரே சொல்லியிருக்கார். ஊனிற் தொழுவினிற் புக்கு உறுதி அளைந்த பொன்மேனி. He will roll himself in the cow shed. பசு கட்டிருப்பால லாயம், அதுல பரல்வானா பெருமாள். பசுல பிடிக்கும் கோவிந்தன் கோபாலன். But whole body will be full of dust. Then Yashoda will call, you pig, you are rolling in the mud. And then, but it is so beautiful. Panduranga, Purandardas sees this scene. Baro Murari. Same thing. Exactly Alvar says. Alvar, whatever Alvar says, Purandardas. All devotees think in the same way, right? So, devotees love Lord's body full of dust. Because Perumal loves to do Anga Pradakshinam in the dust of the devotees' feet. Perumali Anga Pradakshinam. Bhaktaridhude Padatuli Kadikkanam Vrindavanam. Perumal loves the Gopikas because Gopikas do not know anybody other than Krishna. Why Gopikas are supreme? Because they know only one. They know only Krishna. They don't know second person. Gopika Bhakti is supreme because only Krishna. The Gopas, they used to call Krishna as their friend. Whenever there was some problem, there was Aghasura, that story you heard in the little Krishna, Aghasura is in the form of which shape? Aghasura was in which shape? Snake, right? Vasundhati, fine. Snake, big snake. That children saw this big cave, They saw the big cave, and then one of the children said, python, correct. Malapam. Cave-like snake, correct. One of the boys, hey, this looks like big serpent. The friend said, no, it is a cave. Come on, let us go inside. Andar jaake dekhenge, chalo. In Vrindavan, they spoke in Hindi. Andar jayenge khana, chalo. Then everybody went into the cave. Then one Gopa, one of the friends of Krishna, told, what if this is a real snake? Suppose this is a real python, what will happen? You know what the Gopa said? Another Gopa, forget ya, Krishna is there. Namba Krishna irukka, namakku enna bhai? That faith, 100% faith, that is called Mahavishnu. That is surrender. Krishna will take care of me. What karuna? Nonsense. Krishna is there, he will take care. I will wear mask, I will take medicine, I will maintain distance, and then pray to Krishna. Krishna will take care of me. Because Krishna is telling through other people, Krishna is telling through doctors not to go out, wear mask, and then wash the hand. Shani teaser. Yeah. Shani eduthu kaila puchiko. Then Shani tease. So shoddy teaser, then what? Steaming, then what? Khabasura neer. How is that Khabasura? Khabasura neer. It's not Khabasura. Khabam means cold. Suram means fever. Cold fever powder. New powder, right? Only Tamil Nadu was discovered it. Khabasura powder. Even Ayush Ministry has said, recommended this. Drink Khabasura neer. Khabasura neer. So that you won't get Corona Sura. Yeah. Perumal is giving instruction through TV, through doctor, through friends, through relatives. So you should follow that. And then pray to Perumal for Loka Samasta Sukhina. Right? So see the faith of Gopas. That is why Gopika Bhakti is supreme. They don't know anybody other than Krishna. Unnalallal yavarandum ondrum kuravending. Even if I am get any disease, if I get anything, that also should be through you. You only should beat me. I love you so much. A child telling mother, I love you, ma, so much. You should beat me, not the other aunt. Right? அடிக்குதா நீ அடிக்கணும். ஏன் பக்கத்தால நம்ம அடிக்கணும்? We say no. Your mother beats you all. அம்மா அடிப்பாளா? இல்ல. அம்மா அடிக்க மாட்டா. அப்பா தான் அடிப்பான்ல? இல்ல அம்மா அப்பா அடிப்பா. இல்ல? நோன்ற எல்லாருக்கும். ஒரு பொண்ணு எஸ்ன்னு இருக்கு. அப்படியா? Is it good or bad when your mother beats you or father beats you? Good for you or bad for you? Good. It's good for you, no? So, you should tell your father, mother, beat me every day from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Today onward, you take beating. Adu artham. Whenever you do a mistake, they will beat you to correct. Because they love you. அப்பா அம்மா உங்க மேல எவ்வளவு வாசம் வச்சிருக்கான்னு அதுதான் அடிப்பா. பக்கத்தாத்து பையனை எப்போ அடிப்பா? Will they go and eat the neighbor's son? No. So beating is a reflection of love, no? That is why Perumal beats us with corona, because he loves us. He puts us in hospital. He puts us in search of oxygen cylinder. He gives us dozens of tablets. He gives us dozens of injections. It is like mother beating the child to protect the child so that the child will not go astray. Yeah. Perumal சின்ன சின்ன வியாதி ஏன் கொடுக்கிறார்? ஹெட்டேக் கொடுப்பார், கோல்டு கொடுப்பார், காஃப் கொடுப்பார், ஜுரம் கொடுப்பார். ஏன்னா நமக்கு சின்ன சின்ன பனிஷ்மெண்ட் கொடுத்தாதான் நமக்கு புத்தி வரும். அடி வாங்கினாதான் புத்தி வரும். ஸ்ரீமுஷ்ண ஆண்டவன் யூஸ் டு டெல், அடி பட்டாதான் புத்தி வரும். ஏன் அப்படின்னு கேட்டேன். பெருமாள் திருவடி பட்டாதான் நமக்கு புத்தி வரும். அடிப்பட்டான பெருமாள் திருவடி தலைமையில வந்தாதான், ஷட்டாரி வந்தாதான் நமக்கு நல்ல புத்தி வரும். ஸ்ரீமுஷ்ணம் பெரியான். So karma yoga is difficult. Can you remember Perumal while brushing your teeth? You will be remembering your dream. You will be thinking, this Dantakanti will it work? This Colgate will it work? Etc. You will be thinking something else, not Perumal. Everything you should think Perumal when you do an action. When you take bath, you should think Perumal. I am taking bath for Perumal. You should do sankalpam. Sankalpam irukku. Asma Gurubhyo Namah, Asma Paragurubhyo Namah, Siman Venkatanathar, Vikarke Yatare, Vedanta Acharya, Nidustam Sudari, Gurubhya Tad Gurubhya Namo Vagamadi Mehe Vrinimi Chatuprada Dambade Jagadambade Susede Bhupen Vyasi Yatu Vidatam Tritavan Devat Chukalam Bardhan Vittam Sivan Prasanna Dhamja Surikno Jante Yasa Dirvakra Dhyabharjatya Prasanvitam Singh Adirom Prachi Govinda 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 Susti Bhagavama Vrata Vishnavaragya Pravatama Sukalralilyo. They say Sankalpam for taking bath. Prata Snanamaham Karishe Bhagavat Prityartham. I take bath because who is happy? Perumal is happy. That mantra I told past because I don't want you. I don't want to waste time in that. Sankalpam, they do every day, even to take bath. We have to do sankalpam to take bath. You know that? குளிக்கிறது கூட சங்கல்பம் பண்ணணும். ஏன்? நாங்கள் நம் பாவைக்கு சாற்றி நீராடினால். சாற்றி means sankalpam. Goda says, Andal says, even while taking bath, you should do sankalpam. I am taking bath because I want to please Perumal. Which pasaram it is? Nangal Nambaviki. Which pasaram? Starting word? Right, third. Starting word. Starting word. Ongi, right? Who said that? Right. Ongi vala kadanda uttaman per padi. One person said, no, it is wrong. What is correct? Ongi vala kadanda uttaman marvadi. He was the son of Marwadi. Not Marwadi. Ongevala Galanda, Uttaman Perpadi. Another person said, then Vamana became very big. His shirt, he was wearing some shirt. The shirt was torn. On shirt kinjirtham. Another Ongevala Galanda, Uttaman bare body, B-R-E, bare body, B-body. Shirt kinjirthe, thermal pette. So, Nangal Nambaveki Chatri Nirarina. Chatri means, what is that Chatri? Sankalpam. I am doing this for this purpose. Yedugume Sankalpatodu. You do Sankalpam for Archana also, right? Sivat Gotra Bhavasya, Shramana Rakshatra Jatasya, Govindan Namadeyasya, Talkutumba, Chema, Saidya, Dhaidya, Abhaya, Vijaya, Bhitya, Arogya, Dhana, Kanaka, Vastu, Bhagana, Siddhartam, Arogya Siddhartam, Sakala Aishwarya Praptyartam, Bhagana Siddhartam, Griha Siddhartam, Ashtotra Sagastra, Ashtotra Shata, Nama Archanam Karishe. Archaka says, that means this person should get house, car, money, wealth, bank balance, health, everything you should get. For 10 rupee Archana ticket. In 10 rupees, we want car, bungalow, everything from Perumal. Perumal gives, because Perumal is innocent. Perumal does not know how to cheat. Perumal is not able to cheat. 10 rupees ticket is not lottery ticket, Archana ticket. What we should ask doing Archana? There are two people, two groups. One say we should not tell name in Archana, Bhagavat preacher. Another say we can tell. But Sankalpam should be Bhagavat, Bhagavata, Acharya, Sankarya, Siddhartam. Abdi Swaram, Sankalpam. Avayadavana Sarikira, Nee Solikaya. You tell your name, Gotra, and tell Bhagavat, Bhagavata, Acharya, Sankarya, Siddhartam. Right? Fine. So, some people do Archana in their name, some people don't. They say Perumal Perlapan. Perumal Shama Markana. Pallandu. There is nothing wrong in saying Pallandu. There is nothing wrong in asking for Bhagavat things. Adukkaga Archana Pannala. Tappe kide. Perumal Perun solladum correct. Em perla pannu ana enakku nalla buddhi varanum nariya kainkariyam pannanum bhagavata kainkariyam pannanum kekkalam tappide paisa dhaan kekkudadu. We should not ask cheap pleasures. Vaishnava doesn't ask for cheap pleasure. Don't play India team should win the cricket World Cup. Don't pray all those. Pray Lokaksham. Right? Don't pray my team should win and I only should come first in my class and all people should fail. You should not ask that. So, I am coming back to Karma Yoga. Karma Yoga is extremely difficult. You cannot do Karma Yoga. Whatever you do, you should offer to Perumal. While sleeping also, you should think always, I am sleeping for Perumal's Priti. Perumal as Antaryami inside, he will take rest. I am eating because Antaryami Perumal is hungry. Like that you should think every. I am using this scale because with this scale I will put a line. From that line I will write the names of the students. I will write marks. Names of the students are Bhagavatas. So Perumal will be pleased. So I am using this scale. I am using this sketch pen because if I write with sketch pen, the board will be clear and then you can see GSPK name on the board, which is also a Kainkaryam. Global Sotra Pata Kainkaryam. You see that board? That is also pink. Huh? Everything. I am using this cell phone because I can attend the camp, I can listen to Upanyasam, I can listen to Bhajan, I can listen good words. So this cell phone is purified. Put in always. Very difficult. Next time I am using laptop because in laptop I can see all the faces very clear. All the Bhagavatas, Darshanam I get very clear than this cell phone. So I am using this laptop for Bhagavata Kainkarya. Every time you should think everywhere. Suppose you go to cinema. Suppose you are watching cinema on the TV. How will you relate to Perumal? I am watching this TV. There is some nonsense fight is going on. And Perumal will be happy if I see this fighting. Oh, this fellow is killing that fellow nicely with nice bomb explosion. How Perumal will be happy? Which means we should not see such movie. Which means we have to cut all our desires. It's very difficult. It is difficult to escape these desires. So Karma Yoga is zero. And you should do any karma without expecting results. Perumal says, you work hard for exam, do all your classwork homework, but result is in my hands. It's not your hands. How? It's nonsense. No? People say, you work hard, you will get result. Why you want to go to God and all? Why do you want to go to temple? Don't pray. So Nastikas say, no? You work hard, you will come first. Where is God inside? By taking God's name, you are becoming lazy. So, you work hard, you will get result. Is it true? Do you accept? You work hard, you will come first in the class. You don't need God. Is it true? Yes or no? Vasumati says no. Vasumati R says yes. Divya Shri says yes. Kesav says no. Achyutan says yes. So, many yes, many no. If you work hard, you will come first in the class. Why Perumal is necessary? Perumal is not necessary. This is how the atheists, Nastikas argue. Even then, Perumal is necessary. How? Because, yeah, Amrita, fine. Amrita says this, okay. Now, suppose you have a good field, agricultural field. In the field, you sow seeds. You till the land, sow the seeds. Right? If there is no rain, will you get crop? You have sown the seed. If there is no rain, can you get the crop? No. So you need the rain. Who gives rain? Scientists? Who gives the rain? Perumal. God only can give the rain. So you need God. Without God, crop will not. Take second case. You always pray to God, but you don't till the land, you don't sow the seed. Will you get the crop? No. You have to work on. Is it not? So 50% our hard work, 50% Perumal, then 100% success. We have to do hard work and we have to pray. Then only 100% result will come. If you close your eyes and go on doing Ramanama Japa, Perumal will not keep cooker and food will not be ready. So, God, there is a proverb, God helps those who help what? Then who said the Vidyasudhara? Fine. God helps those who help themselves. God will not help the lazy fellows. I will not go to work. I will not study. I will not do any homework. I will sit at home and eat nicely and sleep. God will not help lazy people. So you have to work hard, and then God's grace must be there, then only you will be successful. There are many people, millions of people, they work very hard, 16 hours a day. But if they don't pray to God, they don't get even bread also. But there are many people in Himalayas who go on doing tapasya, Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. If they do not go out and take some leaves or water, they will die. They will do japa. I have seen some rishis in Badrinath who do lakhs of avritis of Narayan, Ashtakshari mantra. But they will take leaves, some kheer, they will eat some atta, some roti, something like that, and then drink water, and then they are happy. But they have to get that food themselves. Perumal will not come and give in the ashram. Or some devotee will come and give it. Okay? So hard work plus prayer is equal to success. Amrita, right? Vishal? Vidya Vishal, समझ गए आपको? Vishal Singh has come from, he's from Ranchi. Now he is attending here. Dhanya also, Vishal Adit. समझ गए आपको, no? You are able to understand my English, right? Vishal, Amrita, etc. Fine. You should work hard 50%. Means what? 50% of your success is dependent on your hard work. 50% by God's will. 50% आपका क्या है? हार्ड वर्क, आपका परिश्रम, और 50% भगवान का कृपा. Is that clear? So karma yoga is very, 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 very difficult. Now, if karma yoga is if you are successful in karma yoga, then you will become a jnana yoga. You will go to jnana yoga, where you will get self-realization. You will be able to see Perumal. You will be able to realize that you are a soul. It is very difficult. Finally, bhakti yoga. Always everything looks Perumal only. It is very difficult. We cannot. Krishna says, Bhaktyatu ananya shakya. Unless you do bhakti, you cannot reach me. But doing bhakti is not easy. Bhakti karna bahut katin, parishram karna bahut. Bhakti is different from bhakti yoga. Krishna says bhakti yoga. Bhakti yoga means always thinking of Krishna. 24 hours. Ramarija says, when you take oil, suppose you pour oil like this, it is continuous, right? Oil, when you pour, it is continuous. This is not oil, this is coffee. I'm giving example. If you pour continuously it will pour. No break, no? Similarly, when you think of in Bhakti Yoga, Perumal Jnanam continuously, 24 hours should be there. Can we do that? In Kali Yuga में आप भक्ति योग कर सकते हो 24 घंटा. Is it possible? No. नहीं कर सकते. Very difficult, right? So, no Bhakti Yoga, no Perumal, you cannot reach moksha. Vaikuntha नहीं मिलेगा. You can't get Vaikuntha. Yeah, Vaikuntha का नहीं कर. So what to do? Arjuna started crying. Oh, Vasudha says she can. Oh, you can do 24 hours bhakti? Vasudha? 24 hours? You can do that? 24 hours thinking of Krishna. You can do 24 hours, you can think Krishna. Oh, great. With Bhagavad Kripa. Huh? You cannot, very difficult. Even for a second, it should not move away. And, Arjuna himself says that I cannot control my mind. Chanchalam hi manak Krishna pramadi balabhatridam. Arjuna says. Krishna says you should control your mind. Controlling the mind is very, very difficult. You try and you will know whether you are successful or not. Self-test. Everybody should make a self-test. Nobody is at home. Cell phone is there. TV is there. Laptop is there. What am I doing? That is the self-test. Am I watching movie? Am I watching bhajan? Am I reading my lesson? Am I seeing nonsense in myself? Etc. You have to self-test. Then you will know who you are. ராத்துல யாருமே இல்ல, டிவி இருக்கு, லேப்டாப் இருக்கு, செல் இருக்கு. நீ எதை பார்ப்ப அப்படின்றது உனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு போயிடும். Then you will know. It is self. All of it test. Do test. If you are watching movies or fighting or boxing, there is a channel, no? The boxing channel. Punch panna. Oh, nice punch. See, blood is coming. This is all tamo guna, rajo guna. Or seeing nice movies with good moral, sattvic guna, daivika movie. But you read your lesson sincerely, do some chanting, then you are in sattvic. You test. நீங்களே டெஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கோ, நீங்களே மார்க் போட்டுக்கோங்க. பெரியவாளுக்கு தான் சொல்றேன். Even for elder ones. Nobody is there. Nobody to ask you. You are in America. You are in Canada. You are in Australia. Nobody will know what you are doing. Your Antaryam is watching. Right? So, what you watch will decide your state of mind. Who says this? Arjuna is saying, अर्जुन बोल रहा है, मैं मन को वश नहीं कर सकता हूँ. I cannot control my mind. Who is Arjuna? Close relative of Krishna. Chanchalamgi manak Krishna. My mind is fickle, oscillating here and there. I cannot control me. And I can catch air in my hand. Air. காத்த கையில பிடிச்சிருவேன், நான் மனசை பிடிக்கணும். I can catch air also in my hand. I can prison air in my hand. Arjuna says this. We can't do that also. But I cannot control my mind because mind moves. In 1 second, mind will go to America, Antarctica, Mars, everywhere and come back. 1 second. So can we control our mind? Is it possible? In this Kali Yuga? Impossible. So he cried, Arjuna cried, started crying, how can I come moksha? I can get liberation. I cannot control मैं मेरे बुद्धि को मन को वश में नहीं ला सकता हूँ, मेरा क्या होगा? Then Krishna finally said, मामेकम शरणम, catch hold of my feet, मेरे पैर पकड़ो बस. Cry. I cannot control my mind. I cannot control bad thoughts. I cannot control bad company. I cannot control playing or watching movies or playing cricket on the TV. I cannot stop saying my mobile for hours together. I cannot stop chatting for hours together. Chatting is good if it is good topic, substance. What is the use of chatting about cricket players or cinema actors? Who will marry whom? Which team will? What is the use? Those teams will play and they will get lakhs of rupees. What are you getting? You are losing your eyesight. Your eyes are affected by the radiation. Your mind is bombarded with electromagnetic radiation. So many things are happening, right? Your health is getting spoiled. Over 10 years or 20 years, you will lose eyesight. You will lose the sense of hearing because of this continuous use of headphones. Your eyes will stop hearing. The best way is speaker mode. than microphone. This is very dangerous. I have seen one of my students, blood was coming out of his ears because he was hearing classes for 8 hours a day for about 4 years. Blood started coming from his ears. 8 hours a day class for 4 years on microphone. You should take precaution. Use a very good speaker or use a loudspeaker rather than microphone. So many dangers in this high-tech technology. Anyway, finally Arjuna cried, what can I do? He fell at my feet. Mere sharan mein aa jao. Then he did this sharanagati. Krishna says, then I will give you moksha yashyami. I will give you Vaikuntha. Right? So, the Vaishnava must surrender to Perumal. It's called Varanyasam. So, one day when you will Varanyasam, you can go to moksha. Why moksha? Moksha means liberation from birth, death, old age, disease. Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. इससे बचना ही मोक्ष है, मुक्ति. Then what we will do in Vaikuntha? We will do service to Perumal. What will we get by doing service to Perumal? Anandam, happy. Now, who did this Sharanagati? What is the proof? How many have done? Who are the people who have done Sharanagati? Draupadi, you know that story. All her husbands were present. Her sari was drawn by Dushasana. She surrendered to Krishna. Govinda Pundarikaksha Rakshamam Sharanagatam. Krishna came and protected her by giving the sari. Kakasura in Ramayana, the crow, surrendered to Perumal and he was saved from Brahmastra. Gajendra, you know the story. Gajendra surrendered to the Lord and it was protected from the crocodile. All the Devatas surrendered to Perumal, to Rama, to Vishnu to protect them from Ravana. Trijata surrendered to Sita and Sita protected all the Rakshasis. Pandavas surrendered to Krishna and they were successful. Vibhishana surrendered to Perumal and even now he is the king of Lanka. Like this, many people surrendered to Perumal and they got the escape from the cycle of birth, death, old age, disease, etc. Surrendering oneself is Sharanagati. And the Sharanagati is done very famously by it's been told in all the scriptures, especially in Bhagavad Gita. Krishna tells about Sharanagati in Charama Shlokam in Bhagavad Gita. Sarva Dharman Parityaj. It is also a shloka and a mantra. Charama means lost, shloka. It's not exactly lost shloka, but lost resort. The lost method. And this is the purpose of life. What is the purpose of life? Sharanagati. Aham madrakshana baro madrakshana bhalam tata namam shri patere vaityat mohamati. Surrender to Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana ke charanon mein apne aap samarpan karna hi Sharanagati. That is supreme aim of life. That is the purpose of life. And that is why Swami Desikan tells about Sharanagati in all his works. Swami Desikan udiya அவதாரமே அதுக்கு தான். தஞ்சா பரகதியை தந்தருள்வோன் வாடியே. Swami Desika's incarnation is only to teach Sharanagati through all his works. So, a Sharanagata, one who has surrendered Prapatti, one who has done Prapatti, will not boast, will not talk high of himself. நான் இப்படி பண்ண Sharanagatam பண்ணக்கூடாது. வைஷ்ணவனே பண்ணக்கூடாது. All Perumal Shankar. After Sharanagati, even before Sharanagati, one should not go to other gods. I told you, you should not go to demigod. And one who has done Sharanagati, he has done everything. जो भी करना है कर चुका है. எதை செய்யணுமோ அதை பண்ணிட்டான். செய்த வேள்வியர். It's called Kritakritya. One who has done everything what had to be done. And even after doing Sharanagati, one should follow Shastras. சாஸ்திரத்தை சொல்லணும். சரணாகதி பண்ணிட்டா என்னவான இஷ்டப்படி பீடி பிடிக்கிற சிகரெட் பிடிக்கிறலாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது. You cannot do that. You should please Perumal even after Samashrayanam and Sharanagati. You will do that. Don't worry. And after doing Sharanagati, one should not, do something else to get moksha. மோட்சத்திற்காக ஆச்சாரியன் மூலமா சரணாகதி பண்ண போறோம். அதுக்காக இன்னொன்னு சரணாகதியோ இன்னொன்னு பண்ணக்கூடாது. லைக் பிரம்மாஸ்திரா. When you tie somebody with Brahmastra, a missile, and when you tie the same person with ropes, Brahmastra will be released, like Hanuman. Meghnad tied Hanuman with his astra, mantra. These idiots, the Rakshasa, they tied him with ropes. Immediately Brahmastra went away. So Brahmastra is a powerful weapon. And that became useless when they tied Hanuman with ropes. Right? Sharanagati is performed only to Lakshmi Narayana, nobody else. After doing Sharanagati, the secrets of Sharanagati can be known even before through Kalakshepam, through spiritual discourses. It's a big science. So, that is the purpose of life, not just to eat, sleep, and eating, sleeping, mating, defending. Ahara nidra bhaya maitunam cha samanyametat pashabhed narana dharmo hi ekam adhiko visesha dharmena hina pashabhed samanaha. Aharam, we eat, animals also eat. Yes or no? They eat better than us also. Right? A crocodile just swallows. A python just swallows even a big animal than its size, right? They eat better also. Ahara, nidra, sleeping. They also sleep, we also sleep. Python keep on sleeping for hours together every day. You know about python? One interesting thing about python. Malapambu. Ajagar ke baale mein. Python. What is the special quality? Even Deshika praises Ajagar. This python. क्या विशेषता है अजगर में? This अजगर, that is python, Malapambu, will not eat anything out of its own efforts. It will lie there. Whatever comes, it will eat. பாம்பு வெளியில போய் சாப்பிடாது, அங்க உட்கார்ந்து எடுத்து எது வருது சாப்பிடும். Good quality, no? Whatever it gets, it will eat. It will not go in search of food. अजगर खाने के लिए बाहर नहीं जाता. Whatever it gets, it will eat. Like that, Vedanta gives this Ajagaranum. Ahar Nidra, it sleeps. See, Perumal is giving, you know that Ajagar, right? Ajagar is very, very, very big, miles, kilometers big, very thick. Malapambu. Who is giving food to so many snakes, thousands and thousands of lakhs of snakes in the forest, Amazon jungles, African forest? யார் சாப்பாடு கொடுக்குறா அதுக்கெல்லாம்? அதெல்லாம் யானையோடு சாப்பிடும். பெருமாள், right? When Perumal can give food to Ajagar, why not to us? நமக்கு கொடுக்க மாட்டதா? But Ajagar is having a strong faith. Food will come to him. Ahara nidra bhaya maitun. Bhayam. We are afraid of corona now. हमें भी भय है. Even the animals are afraid. Cat is afraid of dog. Dog is afraid of the lion, etc. Bhaya maitunancha. We produce children, they also produce children. Dharmo hi ekam adhikam visesham dharmena hina pasibhis samanaha. But what is the difference between a human being and an animal? Is क्या है? धर्म. Human being knows what is right and what is wrong. Right? Power of discrimination. Human being know what is right and what is wrong. Traffic signal is there, right? It is for whom? For human being or buffalo? Erva mataka namakka traffic signal. For us, right? Human is right. Suppose you don't stop. There is a red signal, you cross the signal, you jump the signal. What the police will say? You buffalo, erumu maadu. He will say no. Titva, erumu maadu. Arivilla? He will say. So, we should act like human. Otherwise, we are not human. So, as a humans, we are not born to eat, sleep, happy, merry, party. We are meant for higher purpose. Do service for others, as a Vaishnava, help others, attain Vaikuntha. These are the things, right? So, if a person surrenders to Perumal with full faith through an Acharya, Perumal accepts his surrender only out of his karuna. Perumal mercy, daya. भगवान से दया से ही हमें स्वीकार करते हैं. Perumal accepts us only out of mercy, not because we are qualified. We are not qualified, not at all, to go to Vaikuntha. But Perumal takes us to Vaikuntha because of his mercy, daya. Gajendra also went to moksha. Crocodile also went to moksha. The final goal in life is moksha. That should be moksha is the final goal of life. And this Sharanagati, who can do? Everyone can do. Elephant did it. Crow did it. Rakshasis did it. Why not human? It's common for all. Anybody can do Sharanagati. Right? And Sharanagati or Prapatti are the same. And this is very clearly explained in Charama Shloka of the Bhagavad Gita. Charama. And examples are, Draupadi was protected by Krishna. The crow, Kakasura, Jayanta was protected by Rama. Vibhishana was protected by Rama. Gajendra was protected by Hari or Vishnu. Hari. Trijata was protected by Sita. These are the examples of Sharanagati. The juniors have come, so we will have a revision of juniors. Revision for juniors. Follower of Vishnu always says what? Vishnu Udaya Dasan Ennan Solom Adikadi. What he will say? Vishnu ke Das kya kehte? Bar bar. Adiyan Dasan. Das. Adiyan Das. Okay. Andal is also given another name. What is another name of Andal? Can be called like Goda, Nachiyar, correct? Goda, Nachiyar, correct? Okay. So, Samashrayanam helps you to follow in the right path, true or false. Shankachakra, true. Shankachakra, sahi raaste pe le jata. It takes you in the right path. Okay. After doing Samashrayanam, one should not chant Perumal's name, Lord's name, true or false? False. We should always chant Vishnu's name. Kirtaniya Sada Hari. Smoking and drinking are bad habits, true or false? True. Andal Goda Devi sang Tirupavai, true or false? True. Very good. Beautiful. It is more beneficial to do service to Vishnu while wearing Shankachakra. Shankachakra, Samashrayanam, Adapura, Kaingere Panna, Vishesham. True. Correct. Kathopanishad is the name of a person. True or false? Kathopanishad, true of a person, no, false. Upanishad is the name of a scripture. Vedas and Smritis misguide us. True or false? false. They guide us. Eh? Krishna founded the city of Dwaraka. True or false? True. These are the question paper for yesterday, right? Now match the following. One must not bear conch, disk, identity, blank. Shankha Chakrata yanga potu kuda. There you should not be a Shankha Chakra. What is the answer? Below the waist, right? Below the waist. Khati के नीचे Shankha Chakra नहीं धारण करना चाहिए. One can draw Shankha and Chakra as Rangoli, but fill up the blank. But what? Not sit on it or walk on it. उसका ऊपर नहीं चलना. Sometimes they write also, right? Happy New Year, and then they walk on it. Letters also I agree, right? You should not. If you write the letter, see that nobody walks on it. Then wipe it off. Okay, letters also. Kamakshara, Amakshara, Trikante. Grama also is Akshara. One can use Shankha Chakra as decorations on the walls and on vessels. True or false? True. Pangapana Vaksha, Adhika Shankha Chakra, but Tirumanji Janna Purva. Yeah, fine. We can wear Shankha and Chakra in the form of earrings. True or false? True. Fine. Very nice. Next, blank. Ajamila told blank. Which name? Ajamila told the last moment. Narayana. Correct. Kalpa is a measure of blank. Time. Very good. Blank. Always think of Vishnu. Who? Vaishnavas. Very good. Fine. Amrita. Fine. Vaishnavas always think of. Fine. One should wake up in blank muhurtam. Brahma muhurtam, right? Advika. One must chant blank after waking up. Hari is correct. We must pray to blank Devi for walking on ground. Which Devi? Bhuma Devi. Bhu Devi. Fine. Anushtana means blank. Vishal, very good. बहुत सुंदर. अनुष्ठान means अनुष्ठान का मतलब क्या है? Practice. अनुष्ठान का मतलब practice. Gajendra is the name of. किसका नाम है गजेंद्र? Elephant. Very nice. Very good. We should sleep for a minimum of blank hours. How many hours we should? 6 hours. Fine. Elders recommend not to put our head in which direction while sleeping? North direction. We should not keep our head in the north and sleep with the leg pointing the south. Okay. Pancha Samskaram and Samashrayam are the same. True or false? True. A Vaishnava worships all gods. True or false? False. सब देवताओं को प्रणाम नहीं करता, केवल विष्णु को करता. Yes, Samashranam is a 5-fold sacred practice. Pancha Samskara. True. A Bhagavata is a servant of the Lord. भगवान का दास है भागवत. True. हाँ, true. सत्य है. Ramanuja is a true Bhagavata. True or false? Yeah, true. सत्य है. Keshava Somayaji was the father of Ramanuja. True or false? True. Girls are not eligible for Samashrayanam. False. Very good. They are also Shankha Chakra le sakte hain. Even ladies can take Shankha. Upanayanam means marriage. True or false? उपनयन का मतलब विवाह. No, false. Correct. Tiruman or Tilak, Pasa, is the earth or mud from Tirumala. False. It can be from Ayodhya. Ayodhya से भी पासा ला सकते हैं. मच्छी. Tiruvaradhana means daily worship of Lord. True or false? True, Aditya, fine. Uh, Tirumalai Nambi or Srishaila Purna performed Panchasanskaram to Keshava Somayaji. True or false? True, correct. Shanka should be kept on which shoulder? Left or right? शंख कहाँ धारण करना चाहिए? हाँ, लेफ्ट, वेरी गुड. चक्र को कहाँ धारण? Where should you put chakra? On the right. That's fine. Where should you put tilak? Tirman. Tirman on tilak on the forehead. Lalat. Tiruvaradan means what is Tiruvaradan? Tiruvaradan का मतलब क्या? Tiruvaradan. What is the meaning of Tiruvaradan? Daily worship of Lord. Correct. प्रतिदिन ठाकुर जी का पूजन. Okay. What is mantram? Mantram means hymn. Secret mantra, secret shloka, secret verse, secret hymn. Okay. Okay. Fine. So the follower of Vishnu always says Dasan. Clear? Follower of Vishnu always says Dasan. Very, very important. So this Haranyasam is in such a way that everyone must be able to surrender. One has to be very sincere to surrender to Perumal. Unless until he is sincere, he cannot get mukti. So mukti is available only for those who surrender. And moksham is obtained only by those who surrender. Otherwise he cannot get mukti. Correct? So what is important to know is that it is a must to surrender to Perumal. Everybody must surrender. Or you see, suppose we don't accept surrender. I give an example. Suppose you don't accept surrender. Okay, let me see where you are independent. Where are we independent? Are we independent? Let us see. Can you say we are independent? We are not servants of anybody. Can we say? No. For example, the Prime Minister is there. Is he not independent? No. He is not independent. Why? He is answerable to? He is answerable to the public, right? Suppose an industrial is there. CEO of, say, Ambani is there. Mukesh Ambani. Reliance CEO. Is he not independent? No. Why? Why he is not independent? He is giving jobs to lakhs of people. He is not independent. He is dependent on business, dependent on the people, dependent on the market, dependent. He is submissive to the law. Right? He has to obey the law. Nobody is free. You can't. Nobody can say I am free to do whatever I want. Can you say I am in a democracy? I will beat anybody. I will hit anybody. Can you say that? मैं गणतंत्र में हूँ, किसी को मार सकता हूँ. चलो मैं यारवाना कनाडा डिपेंड. I have independence. Constitution gives me right. Can you say that? No. So you are bound by constitution. You are bound by law. You are bound by society. Yes. You have to bow your head. Similarly, bow your head to Perumal, to God. ठाकुर जी के सामने क्यों नहीं झुकना चाहिए? You surrender to God. He will take care. Isn't it? So we have to surrender to Perumal. Only that surrender will, once you surrender to God, it is something like this, Example of this surrender is very simple. The Sharanagati or Bharanyasam. Bhara means another name. Bhara means responsibility or weight, whatever it is. Nyasam means surrendering. For example, now you have say 1 crore rupees worth, what is the jewelry. आपके पास 1 करोड़ रुपये का संपत्ति है, हार है, गोल्ड. समझ लीजिए. थिंक यू आर गोइंग टू अमेरिका फ्रॉम इंडिया. What Vishal, you are going from Ranchi to America. Think like that. You will give this 1 crore rupee worth garland or chain to somebody, yes or no? Yes, isn't it right? Then whom you will give this 1 crore worth chain to whom? किसको देंगे? Where will you? To whom you will give? यार கொடுப்பீங்க? To a very close person. To bank. Very good. Nice. Shruti has written bank. You will keep it in the bank locker, or you will keep it a person who is very close friend, whom you can trust 100%. Correct? Is it right? You will keep it with a person or in a bank where you have 100% faith that they will best friend. Correct? They will give back. Then you will go to America. Will you be? You will be free from worries, right? Yes or no? Right? You will be free from worries because you are confident, because it is with somebody whom you can trust. आप आराम से सो सकते हो, नन्ना तूंगलाम, धैर्यमा लिया. Similarly, if you surrender our soul to Perumal, we can sleep nicely. Varada Nijabaram Nirbharo. Nirbharo, what? What is the next word? Nirbhayosmi. Who said that? Vidyasura. Nirbhayaha. Nirbhaya mein so sakta hu, without fear. Samsara vartavega prasamana subhadrit desika prakshitogam kantyaktonya rupaye anuchit charite uddishanta visantige nishanka tattadrishtya niravadikadayam karta samrakshakam tvam yasya tvat pada padme varada nijabharam nirbharo. Nirbharo means giving all my burden to you, and hence I am free from bhaya. Nirbhayosmi or nirbhayo nirbharosmi, both are correct. You can sleep nicely. If you have 1 crore rupees in your house, can you sleep? सो सकते हो? Why? Vishal, why can't you sleep? अरे चोर आएगा, you will get Tirada Varma. You may get robber, he may kill you. 1 crore is with you, he may kill you and take away the money. Or government will pounce on you, government will jump on you and ask income tax. Where did you get this money? Who sent this money? What for you sent this money? The manager of the bank will eat you. Yes? So what is the best way? Keep that 1 crore in a safe place. Keep it in a bank. You can sleep night. Or keep that money with your closest friend. Sleep night. China. This is Bharanyasa. Keep your very priceless. This Atma is a very priceless jewel for Perumal. Manibara Yuva Shaurer. So this is Kaustubha jewel. Right? Kaustubha jewel, priceless jewel. Bank or friend. So you can be fearless. How to be fearless? Keep this jewel with Perumal. Give it to Perumal. I will give one story. 45th year of Ahobiramai. Villivaramai singer used to give this example. I remember the story. that about on Bharanyas. Suppose I come to your house and you invite me for lunch. I am ready. You cook food. I am waiting for the lunch. Suddenly you bring some bank land inga paisa kodu. You bring money. You brought 1 crore rupees and kept on the table, dining table. I am ready to eat food. You kept on your table. I am sitting on the floor and ready to take food. You went inside. And then you went inside and then you brought some food. Within that time, money is not there. Outside, the door is locked. You kept the 1 crore rupees on the table. You went inside to bring rice for me. I am only sitting on the floor. Only we two are there. You and whom you will suspect? किसने लिया होगा? यार திருடி இருப்பா? Answer my question. So, myself, yeah. A person sitting on the floor, you will suspect me, right? And clear also. Very ரொம்ப மரியாதையா போட்டிருக்கா. Deval Swami, Devali Swami. Yes, correct. So, I am the thief. You will know very clearly. Right? Will you be happy? Will you be happy? No. When will you be happy? If I return you back the money and say very, very sorry, some bad association, my brain got corrupted, I stole that money, very sorry. Should I say this or not? Yes or no? Yes. Then only you will be happy, right? But what I do, you didn't ask because you are a great person. You didn't ask me. You know clearly I have taken money. I go home and whenever you come to my house, I give you coffee, I give you tiffin, I give you samosa, I give you kachori, I give you sweets. Will you be happy? Will you be happy? No. You will be happy only when I give you back that 1 crore rupee. Yes or no? Yes. चोरी किया हुआ माल वापस आपको देना चाहिए. आपका रुपया है. உங்களுடைய சொத்தை நான் திருடிட்டு உனக்கு காபி டீ இட்லி வடை தோசை கொடுத்தா சந்தோஷப்படுவியா? Will you be happy? It's bribing. Similarly, this example I gave similarly, our soul, our Atma, this Atma is priceless jewel, costliest jewel, this Atma. We have stolen from Perumal. It belongs to Bhagavan. Bhagavan का इस रत्न को हमने चोरी किया. Because what is चोरी? Because we think I am the boss, right? I am the boss, I plan, I am the leading, I am getting the job, I got good medal, I am got the job because of my brain, I am so intelligent. This is stealing. So चोरी बोल. भगवान का आत्मा पहार ऋषि विष्णुवर्धन, beautiful. वेदांत देश का से तो भगवान का आत्मा को अपना आत्मा सोचना ही चौरी. If you think Perumal's Atma is my Atma, that itself is theft. So what you should do? You should hand over this jewel immediately. The spirit kanata, the worth crore rupees guru kudutunnya. Similarly, you should hand over this priceless jewel to Perumal. Then only you will be happy. Yes or no? Right? But what we do? We don't surrender. We don't do prapatti, but we do Sahasranam Archana, Ashtottara Archana, Abhishek, Udayasta Abhishek, Udayasta Puja, Sahasranam Archana, Bal Bhog, Raj Bhog, Bhandara, Tadiya Radhan, will he be happy? Will Perumal be happy? No. He will be happy only when you surrender to him. Hand over your Atma to him. Atma Samarpan. Prahlada said this, 7-year boy, like you. That boy called all his friends around him and said, I will tell you one great secret. What? Shravanam, you should hear about Perumal. You should hear about Vishnu Katha. Kirtanam, you should chant the names of Vishnu. Smaranam, you should think of Vishnu. Pada Sevanam, you should do service to his feet. Archanam, you should do Archana. Krishnaya Nama, Vasudevaya Nama, Kavalanataya Nama, Janardhanaya Nama, Ramaya Nama, Ramadraya Nama, Ramachandraya Nama. Vandanam, you should have pranams. Dasyam, you should do service. Sakyam, you should think him as your friend. Last, Atmanivedanam, finally you should surrender your soul to Krishna. 7-year boy, Prahlada is telling this at the age of 7. Will anyone say this? कुट्टी कौन सा सोच रहा है? छोटा बालक बोल रहा है, अरे भगवान का चरण में जाओ, பெருமாள் திருவடி அட அப்படின்னு சொல்றான். சொல்லுவாளா யாராவது? 7 வயசுல பரநியாசம் பண்ணுன்னு யாராவது சொல்லுவாளா? Will somebody say this at the age of 7? But Prahlada said, why? Because he was taught this Paranyasam, Samashrayanam, Nama Sankirtanam by everything by Narada. When he was in his mother's womb, माँ की गोद में गर्भ में रहते हुए नारद जी ने उपदेश दिया था. नारदर उपदेश பண்ண அதனால கர்ப்பஸ்ரீமான் பேர். And anyone, any person hears the glory of Vishnu when in mother's womb, அம்மாவுடைய வயிற்றில் இருக்கேயே பகவன் நாமாவை கேட்டாதான் சவை மோக்ஷார்த்த சிந்தகா ஜாயமானம் ஹி புருஷம் எம் பஷ்யேத் மதுசூதனஹா. When you are inside the stomach of mother, if you are blessed by a Bhagavata like Narada or an Acharya, then only you can think of Vishnu, you can come into satsang like this. So we are all 100% sure when we were in our mother's womb, some great Mahatma blessed us. நாம அம்மா வயசுல இருக்குச்சே யாரோ ஒரு ஆச்சாரியார், யாரோ ஒரு பரம பாகவதோத்தமர் நமக்கு அனுகிரகம் பண்ணதாலதான் இன்னைக்கு நாம சத்சங்கல இருக்கோம். That is why we are here. Otherwise we won't be here. We'll be watching some movie or TV, wasting our time in unnecessary nonsense. Yes or no? That is the power of Bhagavata. Only Vaishnava Kataksha will bring us in the right path. You are all sitting for 2 hours talking about Vaishnavism, talking about Vishnu every day, all these 7 days, and writing Ramanama. Please, when you write Ramanama in your book, you write everything. This time, today's form, when you download, you write entire Ramanama which you wrote all these 7 days. 7 நாள் மொத்தம் டோட்டல் பண்ணி எழுதுங்க. Not only yesterday, right? Form yesterday in போட்டிருக்கோம். Write entire Ramanama count for all these 7 days, put it there. We will display this. Entire Ramanama I should. Clear? So, all these things are possible only due to the grace of Vishnu and his devotees. We are all lucky. இல்லையா? இங்கெல்லாம் அதிர்ஷ்டக்காரன் இல்லையா? இந்த கேம்ப் கிடைக்கிறது கஷ்டம் இல்லையா? Small children are with us. Bala Prahlada. Very nice children. Small children are with us. And they are given beautiful videos also. I just read in 5 minutes a review of this video. Swarna Kesavan, very nice video, very sweet video. Bhargavi, very cute, Rama Rama Ram. Srinidhi Ramanujan, very nice, she chanted Jai Jai Sudarsana. Thiruman, Changu, Chakaram, Ram Ram Ram, very cute. இதெல்லாம் காதுல கேளுங்க. குழந்தைகளுடைய பெருமையை கேட்டா பாகவதாருடைய பெருமை நமக்கு பாக்கியம், புண்ணியம். Rangapriya, Thiruman, Changu, Chakaram. Someone was telling very silent, and she was telling under Ravi VK ID. Sri Hari Sudarshan was wearing nice vesti and he was rotating like Sudarshan chakra in the hand, something in the hand, and then said Ramanuja Tadya, and he ran away. Then he came back, Ramaya Ramabhadraya, some small childish teaching, very nice. Twins, Sheshastri, Anantan, beautiful. Jai Jai Sudarsana, Changu Chakaram, Ramayana Slokam, Rama Rama, etc. Nirmal, Vishnu, Shankachakra, very nice. Ramanama with action. He was doing with all, as if he was Roti Rama, Rama, like that. Nishita, very sweet Rama, Sri Rangasri under Nirada Padmanabha, very cute and sweet voice. I heard all those times yesterday. And it's not so easy to make these people sit. Bhargavi, Shanka, Chakra, Niralya, Ramachandra, Raghavira, with all folded hands. Rama, Jadaya, Patram, Lakshmi, Radha, everything she told, Niralya. Yes, Vaishnavi, Adiyen, she left. And then she was moving her hands and then telling about the Charanam, etc. Chiratu, Rama, very cute. Ravi, Rangapriya, JJSS, Pate, Kannan, etc. So I will see. Today also you send to the link. Tomorrow I will see. And then I will post it in the group later on, how it was. Everything I write a comment. Today there is an interaction with the session with those who have not talked to me so far. 60 பேர் பேசியிருக்கான் என்னோட. இது பேர் யார் பேசலையோ 4 இந்த 6க்குள்ள. Just for 3 minutes அவ்வளவுதான். Kindly join me and the address will be given to you in Telegram channel where to join, etc. 4 to 6 I am ready. I want to have interaction with everybody. And then we can have a feedback also. அப்புறம் அந்த feedback கூட அனுப்புறேன். Try to. So the infants, for the children, they have to chant Sharanagati. You chant Sharanagati. அப்புறம் Charama Shlokam Swami Desikan Kritakrityan Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha Bharanyasam. Daily you are chanting this. Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana. Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana. Very powerful. This Kali Yuga. And then Ramanama. Rama 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 Ram Ram Ram. Rama 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 Ram Ram Ram. Many people are chanting different bhajans. Ramachandra Raghavira. Also very nice. Anything? Very good. It's also very easy to. Bhajans are very easy way to reach Perumal, to get bhakti. Very easy bhajan, right? Pallandu Paduvome. Pallandum Pavitra Shundirin Devatar Panna. Perumal also. Kodalin Maliyachanna Vorayuru. So everything music. If you know music, it's good. If you don't know music, Ram 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 Ram. If you know music, sing nicely. So we have covered a small portion only about what we should know as a Vaishnava. I have taken, it's not my work, I have to give the copyrights, right? The person who has done extensive research, collected from Desiga's works and wrote the book, and it was translated in English by Sri Rangarajan Swami, written by Uve Vasudeva Tatacharya Swami of Ramanujadaya. He released it in 2018. This is the book. If you have time, you can get this book. It gives you all the principles of Vaishnavism. The front page and this is the back page. Okay. This is the front page. That is the Vedanta Desikan on the principles of Vaishnavism. This is the book. Vedanta Desikan on the principles of Vaishnavism. Right? Ramanujadaya. Okay. You can get in Kindle books also, it's available. And the copies are available from Vasudeva Tatacharya Swami and Ramabhadran Rangarajan Swami from Bangalore. He translated this book and it was released in Delhi by Sri Mohan Parashar long back. So we kept a team, young team, to decide the chapter. I didn't choose the chapters. What are the chapters to be given to children? Because only children will know at that age. So the team was kept, and the team, they didn't want their name. I am not mentioning their name. Because always when you do your service, if you do that, instead of mentioning the name, you will get more benefit. As I told you, Yakshati Labha Puta Simukho Vaishnavani. So GS picked a team also doing a wonderful job, loading, uploading, then Google Sheet. The youth team is doing this, everything, without any name and fame. So this camp will not end here. It will continue. We have taken only 10 pages out of this 400 pages book. But if it is given as a textbook, nobody will read. நானே படிக்கல, இந்த கேம்புக்காக எடுத்து படித்தேன். நானே ஒரு சோம்பேறி. கேம்புனா எடுத்து படித்தேன். Now I am going to conduct camp for other children also. Students of Mumbai, students at Mumbai, only for Mumbai students, only for Singapore students, only for US students, only for Dubai students, only for Hyderabad students, only for Bangalore, only for Chennai. தனித்தனியாக நடத்த போறேன். Throughout the year, this is going to be now online. If you cannot do every day, maybe weekends. So again, revision will be there. I am going to revise because I know your contract, email contract. I will give a consolidated question paper and revise it. We'll be in touch. Because satsang is nothing like satsanga. Talking with you is a pleasure. உங்களோட பேசினாலே ஒரு சந்தோஷம். அதனால we'll be in touch. உங்களோட ஆத்ம பந்துவா. We'll keep in touch. So you should know basics. You can't say, I don't know, I don't want. So it's a pleasure also to know. So happy, right, when you know about principles of Vaishnavism. And Vaishnavism is not only in India, it's abroad also, right? We find many Vaishnavas in America, Singapore. Singapore devotees are doing this now. GSP. Wonderful Kainkariya, right? Australia, Muscat, Dubai, UK, right? Canada. Many groups, Australia. They are doing wonderful job. And India also, right? So many people are doing very silently. We don't know also. Some of the groups we even don't know what they are doing. Very silent service, very silent service, without even being recognized or known outside. They don't want to be known outside. So you children should learn more and more from more people. Not only Mukundan Mama, you should learn from Prabha, Srimati Prabha Sene, learn from other people also. Here Upanyasam, learn from them. எல்லாரையும் கத்துக்கணும். பகுத்பிய ஸ்ரோதவ்யம் பகுதா ஸ்ரோதவ்யம். நிறைய பேர்ல கத்துக்கணும், நிறைய தடவை கத்துக்கணும். Learn more from more people, learn many times from even one person. Correct. So my idea of this camp was, even if one of you, even one person from this group, gets the kripai of Perumal, gets the blessings of Vishnu, all other connected, their friends, their relatives, everybody will get. அதுதான் மழை பெஞ்சா ஒரு இடத்துல பெய்யாது. மழை பெஞ்சா எல்லா இடத்துலையும் பெய்யும் இல்லையா? எல்லா இடம் என்ன, ஒரு சிட்டி மொத்தம் பெய்யும் இல்லையா? மழை உங்காத்திரம் மாத்திரம் பெய்யுமா? மழை உங்காத்திரம் மாத்திரம் பெய்யுமா? பெய்யாது இல்ல. உங்காத்திரம் மாத்திரம் பெஞ்சா ஓவர் ஃப்ளோன்னு அர்த்தம். டேங்க், மோட்டார் டேங்க். If rain falls, rain will not fall in one house, right? It will fall to the entire area. Similarly, when Perumal wants to bless any one devotee in this group, இந்த குரூப்ல இருக்கிற ஒரு டிவோட்டிக்கு பண்ணா 1 or 2 devotees are there, plus those people who are surrounding and seeing everything. Perumal will definitely give the power to everything. So, interaction is given. Go to Sampradaya Manjari and you will know what is the interaction, what is the group. You have to click 4 to 6 today. So, thanks to Vishal, joined from Ranchi. He knew only today Vishal Aditya Singh. His father is doing a very good seva in Ranchi, Venkateswara Swami Temple. He knows only Hindi and English. And his sisters are also joined. So, in fact, I am planning to conducted a camp in Ranchi, Jharkhand, in Hindi in one school, Saraswati Vidya Mandir, right? So, similarly, I want to conduct even that place, Jharkhand. Maybe Vishal Aditya will help, we will coordinate so that we can join many people and talk in Hindi. Hindi mein bolenge, English mein bhi bolenge. So, thanks to Vishal Aditya Singh and his father, who is doing a wonderful service there in the Balaji temple. We can reach more people, Ranchi, Ranjanji.